Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and I am in an attic today, and we're looking at a duct job. He's got the traditional flex duct, which is this one here. That is a traditional flex duct. That's where it comes up, and he wants to replace. See that gray one here is old, so this one here is old. This is the newer version, but he's got some triangles, and triangles are these right here where it sends the air one way and sends the air another way, and he's having a lot of air leaks. Again, all these sides, he's losing air, so he's cooling the attic. Also, it's improperly done. Also, the attic itself, you can see all the 2x4s like there. You can see it there. You can see some like right here. Anytime you see the 2x4s, that means it's the regular insulation that it has is too low. You want to have about 19 inches. You can see some more over there. So he wants to replace all his duct, which are, this is your flex duct. Again, it's got a lot of air leaks. And he wants to replace it with sheet metal duct. And the benefit of having sheet metal duct, that first of all, it's cleaner. Um, First of all, it's cleaner. It flows better because it doesn't have the ridges inside, and he won't have all these air leaks. And it'll look very nice and have better airflow, which means it'll have better cooling inside the house or better heating depending on the season. But we're gonna give him a quote, and he'll do it. We'll give him a good price. We got a discount right now going on. So call us for our AC heating and refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. Again, we're doing a flex job, removing the old flex and adding sheet metal flex. And the other benefit about having sheet metal is that rodents can't get into it, and versus the one here now, flex, they can cut holes in it, and with the sheet metal, they won't be able to. So call us again, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. You can also find us on YouTube at ABC Austin Service Express. Okay, thanks guys. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.